Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia platform, and Yourpedia platform is the pioneer platform where you can prepare for all post gate opportunities, whether it is public sectors or it is higher education in India or higher education abroad or getting projects in IITs, anything. Whatever you want to do with your gate score, Yourpedia is the platform you should think about and seek the help from the mentors. When this entire post-gate activity started, I told very clearly if you have gate score, you will get opportunities in IITs. And now on this day, that is 30th of April, there is no student registered with Yourpedia who can say that irrespective of my gate score, I have not got a call. You can comment on my this video in case that is there, that you are there with Yourpedia and you have not got a call from IITs, old IITs. Even at gate score less than 300, general category mechanical has got call from older IITs like IIT Madras and wonderful departments like management. I always say that gate score is just like one criteria. Do not tag gate score with the selection. Gate score अगर है तो selection मिल जाएगी, effort करना पड़ेगा. Anyhow, now the second stage comes with the main challenge, real challenge. आपको कॉल तो आ गया है. अब द क्वेश्चन कम, सर मैं जाऊं इंटरव्यू देने या ना जाऊं. जहां पे भी इंटरव्यू देना चाहिए आपको, एक्सेप्ट सर्टन प्लेसेस लाइक आईआईटी बीएचयू वेयर आई टोल्ड कि इंटरव्यू होगा ही नहीं, वो काउंसलिंग करेगा. अदरवाइज आपको इंटरव्यू देने जाना चाहिए. कई जगह इंटरव्यू का क्लैश है तो हमसे डिस्कस कर लो कि मेरे को क्लैश आ रहा है मद्रास में, बॉम्बे में, तो मेरे को मद्रास में भी मेरे को इंटरव्यू है डिज़ाइन का और बॉम्बे में भी इंटरव्यू है डिज़ाइन का, तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. तो वो मेंटर आपको विल टेल दैट वेयर द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज मोर एंड वेयर यू शुड गो. बट यू शुड गो फॉर इंटरव्यू. हाउ यू विल वांट टू गो फॉर इंटरव्यू? गो विद फुल प्रिपरेशन. 5 things you have to do. Number 1, if you got a call from particular department, please visit the website of that department. Suppose you got a call from DOMS IIT Kanpur, Department of Management, Industrial Management, IIT Kanpur. Then you have to visit the website of IIT Kanpur and see what research is going on. What are the various research areas? You have to visit research areas of the professors. From the research area, you get a lot of information. The relevant engineering subjects. Which subject should I prepare? That you can get to know only if visit the website of that department. I told you that entire syllabus of engineering is not to be revised. If you are a mechanical engineer, you are not to prepare design also, thermal also, manufacturing also, industrial engineering also. No. Mechanical engineering gate के लिए तो आपने सारा तैयार किया. For written exam, you have prepared all these subjects. But for interview in MTech, in IITs, you have to prepare only couple of subjects. If the interview is in thermal related field, you have to prepare thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer. If it is a design related subjects, you have to prepare strength of material, engineering mechanics. If it is production manufacturing, you have to prepare only production manufacturing. Sir, I have got a call from manufacturing, production engineering, material science from IIT. Should I prepare thermodynamics, heat transfer, fluid mechanics? No. So IIT MTech interview, IIT MS interview, PhD interviews are different from PSU interview. In PSU, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, sir, should I prepare thermodynamics? Should I prepare fluid mechanics? Should I prepare strength of material? Should I prepare production engineering? Should I prepare material science? Yes. Sir, can I go only preparing thermal subjects for PSU interview? No. You have to prepare entire engineering, not 20 subjects, 5 subjects, but covering a different domain. 2-3 subjects from thermal, 2-3 subjects from design, 2-3 subjects of production, 2-3 subjects from industrial engineering. That means you have to cover entire engineering, most important subjects, 5 subjects, that is BARC, NPCL, or this interview, that interview, 5 subjects. But MTech is different. MTech may one vertical, only thermal. So whether you have to prepare thermal or design, that you will get to know once you visit the site and you see what are the relevant engineering subjects. I give you example, because next is what you want to do in masters. What you want to do in masters, that also will be clear from the research areas. Professor will ask you, why are you joining cryogenics department IIT Kharagpur? Unless until you have seen the website and you have seen the relevant subjects, research areas, you can't answer what you want to do in masters. You cannot say that. So visiting website is very important. Let me take you to IIT Kharagpur Cryogenics Department. This is the Cryogenics Department of IIT Kharagpur. Now on every website they will be mentioning couple of things. You read about the cryogenics department, what is this department all about, and the most important thing will be research areas. So when you visit research area, there will be so many research area. Now cryogenics say mechanical engineering is also getting called, electrical engineer is also getting called, electronics instrumentation engineer is also getting called, physics people are also getting called. So the moment you go to cryogenics, you'll find, okay, power system have I studied? No, let it be electrical engineer, heat exchange, plate fin, heat transfer. Now you ask me a question, which subject should I prepare, sir, for cryogenics interview? As mechanical engineer, are you not getting idea that heat transfer you have to study? And if it is heat transfer, you also agree with me that thermodynamics, heat transfer are linked subject. You cannot separate it. So that means thermodynamics, heat transfer. And somewhere, because it is cryogenics, you will find, okay, fluid mechanics also. Cryogenic rocket propulsion, thermodynamics, thermal science, rocket propulsion, you study that, right? So for cryogenics, IIT Kharagpur study thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, maybe power plant, those kind of subjects. Maybe RAC, because cryogenics are very low temperature, you know, which like refrigerant, low temperature, liquid nitrogen kind of things. So you need to study that. Then other than engineering subjects, just see what kind of research is going on. Sodium ion batteries. Just Google out. And my next point was, make a notes. If you don't make a notes, you cannot prepare. Sir, from where should I prepare thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer? From your PDF panel, marathon videos. अब मैराथन वीडियो से 5-6 घंटे में तुम्हारा सारा थर्मोडायनामिक्स का कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. Then from where I should prepare heat transfer, your PDF marathon. Sir, other than these subjects, what should I prepare? Sodium ion battery. Sir, from where should I prepare sodium ion battery? Go on Gemini, go on Chat GPT, go on Google. Just write what is sodium ion battery. Now it will tell you many things. Just write in your copy. Watch a very precise video, 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes, sodium ion battery. Somebody is explaining you sodium ion battery. Make notes. Your making notes is the most important. Do not go to the interview without making your own notes. Notes किस चीज़ के बनाने होते हैं? थर्मोडायनामिक्स के नहीं, वो तो आपका पूरा वीडियो आपने उसको पढ़ा भी है इंजीनियरिंग में. सोडियम आयन बैटरी का बना लो, हाइड्रोजन लिक्विड जो आपका ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन है उसका बना लो, क्रायोजॉर्प्शन स्टोरेज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इसके ऊपर बना दो. सो फिर इन विच फील्ड डू यू वांट टू वर्क इफ यू ज्वाइन क्रायोजेनिक्स? सर, आई वांट टू वर्क इन heat transfer domain of this data centers, because Nvidia, Amazon, they are having their data centers. Lot of jobs are related to data center. When you say sir cryogenics join करूं, अरे cryogenics से उतनी ही अच्छी jobs लग जाएंगी जितनी thermal science से लगती हैं. Everybody like sheep is running behind thermal science in mechanical engineering. सर खड़गपुर में मेरे को M.Tech thermal में मिल जाएगा, मैकेनिकल में इस स्कोर पे मिल जाएगा. थर्मल से वैसा ही करियर मिलता है जैसा क्रायोजेनिक्स में मिलता है. The career which you can get through cryogenics is as good as career you can get from thermal, because you are working in the same field. Don't you study the same kind of things in thermal science also? So why there is a rush for thermal science? Why not cryogenics? Be smart. If you got a call from cryogenics, go to the cryogenics, and you know that next my job will be in Nvidia, in Amazon, in data center. Reliance is creating largest data center in India in Jamnagar. सो डाटा सेंटर में जॉब खुलेगी. जिन लोगों ने डाटा सेंटर की कूलिंग से रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट किया होगा, जो इस डिपार्टमेंट में पढ़ सकते हो, उनको जॉब लगेगी. ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज वर्किंग अ लॉट. एक्चुअली वेरी बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स आर कमिंग. ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन पे मेरे को काम करना है. सर, आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन इंटरव्यूज, व्हाट इज ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन, हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ग्रे हाइड्रोजन, व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल इन ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन. सो स्टडी दैट. सो थोड़ा टाइम तो स्पेंड करो. तो कन्वर्टिंग, क्रैकिंग द इंटरव्यूज अ very smart thing you can do. It's a smart strategy. Just do that. And my number is always there with you. You can meet me. I sit on my Zoom at 8 o'clock in the morning, 5 p.m. in the evening, 9:15 p.m. in the evening. I wait that you come and seek information from me. I can give you the input. How to prepare, where to prepare, very simple. But follow that. Follow that and convert that. I'm telling you again and again, the jobs which you can get from cryogenics are as good as the jobs which you can get from thermal science. That means whether you get core branch or you get interdisciplinary department does not matter. What matters is which area you are to studying and how you are to proceeding forward. So this is something which is mentioned, friends. So cooling system which data centers में required है, storage and transfer, all these things, thin film and all. So what is thin film, what is two phase flow, all these things, you know, quantum materials. So these are some research area जहाँ से आपको पता लग जाएगा आपको किस चीज़ की तैयारी करनी है, whatever you got. So go to the website, go to the work which professors are doing and all these things, and you will get an idea. In case you still have some confusion, friends, you can approach me, you can talk to me, and don't forget to join the free WhatsApp groups created for this very purpose, where we keep on sharing the document for your preparations and all. Prepare with YourPedia, and I'm sure you can crack it. Thank you.